don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amina Jahara here, and today I'm gonna do a video on beginner tips for, what did I want to call this? Today I'm gonna do beginner wig tips. That's what we're gonna call this. So first things first, if you enjoy this video, which I know you will, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms and check out my other hair and music videos. Yes, I am a singer, so you know, just check Stink out. So let's get into it. So first things first, my biggest recommendation for people who are very new to wearing wigs is a headband wig. Headband wigs are literally so easy. Like, when I got my first headband wig, I was like, I get it. I get the hype. It literally takes like 10 minutes. So good places to get a headband wig would definitely be UNice hair. This is the headband wig that I am wearing. It's curly, 150 density, 26 inches from UNice hair. It comes with this headband and it came with a wig cap. If you want to purchase it, everything will be down below as always. And I even have another headband wig that I bought from Yolova. That'll be in the description too. And I have an install video on it. So if you are wondering how to put on a headband wig, what to do, I got you, Stink. So, but yes, headband wigs are so easy, and I always recommend them because I feel like a lot of my friends don't wear wigs. So the ones when it's like their first wig, their biggest thing is like it's itchy, it's hot under here, and I feel like a headband wig kind of preps you for that. Like, to me now, wigs are really not that hot just because I'm used to wearing them, but headband wigs are definitely not as hot at all. Like, and it'll just help you get used to having like something on your head. I could see that being like, wow, what is this? If you're not... Next thing I recommend is a U-part or a V-part wig. I also have a video on how to install those and 2 different ones on my channel, so those links will be down below as well. Why I say you should get a U-part or a V-part is it kind of acts like a sew-in. So it's a wig, but you have hair that you leave out at the top and you just put it on top of the wig. I recommend that because it's easy to install, 1. 2, it preps you for wearing a full wig, like the heat of it, I guess. And it's really easy to manage. You just take it off. The same thing as a headband wig. They're really easy to manage, so I definitely recommend that for sure. My next tip is, if you're going to jump straight into like a lace, any lace wig, braid your hair as small as you can. I could give you a number for how many braids to have, but it really just depends on how thick your hair is. Like, I could tell somebody 6 braids and that won't be enough because they have so much hair, or I can tell somebody 6 braids and that's dragging it because their hair's not that thick. So it really just depends on the thickness of your hair, but make sure your braids are as small as you can so you can get a really flat install. You know, we don't want bumpy wigs. Like, I don't want you to do that. You better than that. My next piece of advice would definitely be to get, if you're gonna get a wig, your first wig, listen, look at me, Linda, listen. If you're gonna get a wig, first round, do not get a frontal. Do not get a frontal. You don't even know what you're doing yet, and you wanna get a frontal. Why are you trying to skip the line? You can't skip the line. It doesn't make sense. You're gonna be dumb confused. Like, unless you're gonna keep going to a stylist to like fix your frontal every week or every 2 weeks, like, you're gonna be tight. Like, you're not gonna know what to do when it lifts. You're gonna be dumb confused and you're gonna be tight. So do not get a lace frontal as your first wig. Baby steps, sis, baby steps. My next tip is, if you're gonna get a lace wig, you know, let's say I did the headband wig, cool, I got it. I did the U-part, V-part, cool, I got it. I'm ready to you know, be a junior and get a wig. Definitely get a closure wig. Closure wig is just lace from here to here, or it could be here to here, because there's different kind. A 4x4 would be here, 5x5 would be here, 6x6 could be here. But I definitely recommend a 4x4, 5x5 for your first, you know, lace install. It's a lot easier to manage, way easier to manage than a lace frontal, way easier to manage, okay? It's not gonna be as much of a headache as a lace frontal, and it'll look just as good. So I definitely recommend getting a 4x4 lace closure or 5x5. If you are looking for a wig to get, I definitely have a bunch of videos on my channel of, you know, inexpensive wigs, just so you could play around with installing a wig or getting one installed like by a professional. Next is watch a lot of videos. Please, please, please watch videos. Practice makes perfect, you know, because I'm still learning how to do a lot with wigs, but I watch videos all the time just so I can, you know, try to perfect it. Yeah, just do your research on them. See what works for you. Your hairline definitely depends on how your wigs come out too, so definitely look into that. Like, I have a low hairline, so it's a little difficult for me to do certain wig styles on myself at least. So yeah, please just watch videos. I have plenty of videos on my channel to help you out. So yeah, if you're not gonna try to do it yourself, which is fine. If you like, sis, I don't do hair, I can't even cornrow my hair, or I can't even braid my hair in box braids, or, you know, like, I get it. I have so many friends like that. I get it. Make sure you find a really good stylist. Like, really look on their page, look for reviews if you can, because sometimes these stylists are trying to take your money. They really do. They don't know anything about hair. They just trying to take your money, and that's the reality of it. There's so many great stylists out there, so many. And if you're looking for one, I definitely can recommend you one if you're in like the New York area, New York City area to be exact. You can always DM me or leave a comment down below if you're looking for somewhere to get your hair installed, because I get it. I totally get it. But only get it installed if you're doing lace. Like, don't go to no stylist trying to get them to install your V part or your U part, because I don't think they're gonna do it. Like, I've never known a stylist to install those, or a headband wig. Like, if you're gonna do lace, then and you want to go to a stylist, go for it. But just, again, do your research. Next thing is buy decent hair. Do not spend all your money on super expensive hair. Like, yes, it'll be great quality, it'll last long, but if this is your first wig, you might not be into wigs. So it's like you're spending $300 on a wig that you're never gonna wear again, or you're only gonna wear it for your birthday, like, or, you know. So again, I have a lot of affordable wigs on my channel. That's kind of like my thing. So check out my channel. Everything will be in the description, literally. So yeah, and make sure you subscribe, because I'm always doing reviews on affordable wigs. So if you don't see one you like, I might be doing one you like soon. Okay, my next tip is don't get overwhelmed. If you're trying it yourself, don't get overwhelmed. It's okay. Practice makes perfect. Don't start crying because your wig looked bad. Because if I show you my first wig, if I show y'all my wig from 3 years ago, yeah, sis was not giving. She wasn't giving, and that's okay. I'm aware. I'm fully aware now. But yeah, don't be overwhelmed. Practice makes perfect, and that's with everything. So you got it. You got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it. Last piece of advice, which I think is very important. Do not neglect your hair under that wig. Do not get that wig and act like God didn't give you no hair. Because one thing about a wig, it can definitely mess up your hair if you let it. Like, I have plenty of stories where I was playing myself and I suffered because of it. Like, definitely. I had to cut off so much of my hair, and like now in the process of growing it back just because I was neglecting my hair, and that's not cute. We don't do that. I literally had to shave the back of my hair one time to get like an undercut because I was neglecting my hair that much, that it was so like terrible in the back. I'm gonna insert a picture of like the cut I got. But yeah, that's why I got it, because I started wearing U-part wigs and falling asleep in them and having the clip just sitting in my hair. Girl, that's not it. We don't do that here. No. So yes, always take care of your hair. And luckily, I am going to do a video on how to take care of your hair under your wig. That'll probably be up after this. So that's why you gotta subscribe. Stay, like, you gotta stay. You gotta stick around, because I'm gonna be giving you more tips. So you should stay. I'm also gonna be doing a video on how to lay your lace flat, because that is definitely a thing too. Like, you want it to be on flat. So I definitely will be doing a video on that too. So you have like, at this point, if you didn't subscribe, you don't want to be cute. Like, you don't want to be cute. I want you to be cute. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. So thank you for watching my video. Again, I'm Amina Jahara. Make sure, again, you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social platforms. Make sure you stream my music. Make sure you check out my music videos. And make sure you check out my singing covers, because all of that will be in the description. The information for this hair will be in the description. So thank you, UNice Hair, for sponsoring this video. I love this wig. It is so soft. I didn't really do much to this wig. I honestly just wet it, put conditioner in it, and combed it out. Like, I didn't even define the curls. I don't have my brush for that. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Again, if you guys have any questions down below, you want me to go in depth about anything, comment, DM me. If you don't want to comment, I'm always here. Thank you guys for watching.
Boy, I don't know.